Well, alrighty there, YouTubers. What you got here is a brand new 6 horsepower engine. It's made from Harbor Freight. It's called a Predator engine, 173 cc's. It's coupled to a brand new alternator, as well as a 75 ampere-hour deep cell battery. So let's see if we can start and blow up this bouncy castle using that motor and measuring it, use that kilowatt meter. So here's the setup. Very quiet. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the belt turning the alternator there. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's pulling pretty much nothing right now. But it's hooked up, ready to go. So let's see if it'll blow it up. Alrighty, so you heard the generator pick up just a little bit of the load. If you watch the kilowatt meter, 360 watts, so that's going to be about 30 amps. 30 amps at DC voltage. And you heard the engine slow down just a little bit, so we're going to give it a little bit of gas. Alrighty, well it's still drawing about 325 watts. And if you look up there, there's the bouncy castle fully up. We just picked this back up from having it being rented, so now we just blow it up and make sure that it's good to go, not wet. And there you have it. You got that little engine and that little alternator putting out about 318 watts. Not bad, not bad. If you do the math, it's supposed to be able to power just about a kilowatt, but I don't have an inverter big enough to check. Well, YouTubers, I hope you like it. Thanks.